Hey everyone, it's Swaroop. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of vacuum packing and how it transforms mattresses. Ever wondered how a huge comfy mattress fits into such a small box? Let's break it down. Vacuum packing is all about removing air to save space. Imagine a giant, cozy sponge. When you squeeze all the air out, it shrinks, right? That's exactly what happens with mattresses. First, the mattress is placed in a heavy duty plastic bag. Next, a vacuum pump sucks out all the air, compressing the mattress into a fraction of its original size. The plastic bag is then sealed tightly to keep the air out. For some added protection, the compressed mattress is rolled and secured with straps. This makes it even easier to handle and ship. When it arrives at your doorstep, all you need to do is cut open the plastic. The mattress will start to expand immediately, and within a few hours, it's back to its full plush size. This method not only saves space but also cuts down on shipping costs and makes it super convenient for you. Plus, it's kind of fun to watch it unfold, right? So that's the magic of vacuum packing, folks. It's a clever and efficient way to get your mattress from the factory to your bedroom with ease. If you've got any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Till next time, this is Swaroop signing off.